Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Trench Tech. Today I wanted to just go over how much money a little tech YouTuber makes. I've always found these videos to be interesting to know, is it worth getting into, how are other people doing, and kind of what it's worth. So just want to go through my YouTube analytics a little bit and just share what I know. So I've got my just kind of overview opened up here. You can see that it's set for just the last 28 days. It's estimated that I've made $94.12, and this is just from YouTube itself. I monetize the channel in a couple of ways. The majority of the monetization does come through YouTube. The other monetization comes through my website, where people go to it and click on ads. Then I do make money also through AdSense, but just not through the YouTube AdSense. And then I use Amazon affiliate links. So anytime I talk about a product or show a product, unbox a product, etc., then I do share links, and if you use those links, depending on the product, I can make anywhere from 2 to 8%. On average, I probably make $15 a month from Amazon, so it's nothing huge, but it does help. But let's drill down into the actual earned revenue. So you can see over the last 6 months that I make between like $80 and $100. So it's nothing huge. Frankly, I haven't uploaded a video in quite some time, just because I've been a little discouraged since YouTube made some changes. I had 3 or 4 different channels that were relatively small, but they were making $10 or $15 a month. So combined, I was actually making over $100 with this channel and the other channels put together, but since then it has dropped some, so I've lost some motivation. I am going to try to put out at least 1 video a month on this channel, so any recommendations or products that you want reviewed, let me know. I'll see if I can get my hands on them. I am trying to focus more on security cameras and things of that nature, just because I find that more interesting these days. But as you can see here from my top earning videos, none of them are security cameras. So nothing special or unique there. Kind of just the lifetime of my video. I do find it interesting to look at this. I was monetized before the whole monetization debacle. So I was able to make a few pennies here before I had a big following. Luckily, when YouTube did make the change, I already had 1,000 subscribers and was over the watch amount. But you can see that I started my channel in 2014. So since 2014, so 5 years, which holy cow, I can't believe it's been that long, I've made about $2,600, which I think is great. The majority of my YouTube money goes towards paying for fuel for my car. So I drive a little Honda, and it gets really good gas mileage, and it's been super nice. The thing that I also find interesting is the majority of my money has come from just a few videos. So it tends to be that you have a few standout videos that tend to make you your money, and it doesn't even make sense sometimes. But this just gives you an idea. Kind of the other way that I make money with my YouTube channel is I occasionally have people that will send me products for free. So I do make money that way. Sometimes I keep the product, sometimes I sell it locally to make a few bucks through Facebook or our local classifieds. So that helps as well. You can see throughout my 5-year stint that I published videos at different times, and for about the last year, it's been nothing. I did post a video last week, and I do have another projector video. Said I like security cameras, but I do have another projector video coming up this week as well. So just an idea of what you can make being a little YouTuber, in the tools and products that are available to you. So don't be discouraged if you're a small channel. Keep going and know that it does take time, but it is worth it. If you have any questions about my channel, about what I do, how I do it, leave a comment down below. Happy to answer any questions. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.